Hey guys, welcome back to new video, and in this video we are authenticate our user with using Firebase authentication. So first thing first, you need to create a new project, and second, go in my GitHub repository link which is right present in the description box. Copy this activity underscore main .xml code and paste in your activity underscore main .xml part. So this is linear layout and image view. One is text input layout for email and one is text input layout for our password, and this is material button in order to login or register our user. This is not login, so I need to change this thing. So register, yes, now it is fine. So now go in our main activity and let's first connect our project to our Firebase. So what you will do, go in tools, Firebase, and here you have see couple of options. So you choose authentication, which is right over there, and authenticate using a custom authentication system. Connect to Firebase, so it will land you on Firebase console. So make sure you have a Firebase console, otherwise it will not work. And if you don't have, please search on the Google and make your Firebase console. Okay, so need to add a new project. So yes, and it is Firebase authentication, it is a name of my application, so it is fine. Continue this thing, continue this thing too. And I'm not in United States, I'm in India, so select India. Just a second, where are you, India? Yes, India, and accept these two terms and condition, create project. So now it will take some time. All right, our project is ready. Now continue, and now we are landing in the main dashboard of our project. So now it is connecting to our Android Studio project. So wait a little, and you can see your Firebase Android app has been created in the Firebase. Now time to connect. So yes, now our Android Studio project is connected to our Firebase Android app. So go in our app, which is Firebase Authentication, and you can see here it is connected. Now we have to add some dependencies in our Gradle. So don't worry about this, just click on this button and accept changes. All right, so everything is fine, and yes, now we are ready to go. So first of all, take a reference. So ref, and I think Firebase auth. So fire, you can see here fire auth dot get instance, so it will provide an instance to our Firebase auth. This is our project, Firebase authentication. This is our project, and you can see here I have an authentication. So just click on this authentication part. Okay, so get started. And yes, I need to verify our user by using email and password. So click on this edit and enable this thing. Okay, so we don't want any kind of passwordless sign in and any other stuff, so save this, and you can see now it is enabled. Go in our Android Studio project. Okay, so now we have an instance of our Firebase auth. So so first we need to take a reference, so email, and I use find view by ID. So this is text input edit text. Okay, so r.id.email, so this is a login email. So go in our activity main and just close this thing. You can see this thing. So this is our text input edit text, and its ID is login email, and we have another edit text for password, and its ID is login password, and this is our register button. So this thing also have ID login, so I just change to register. Now it is fine. Okay, so go in our main activity. First need to take a reference, so password, which is right find view by ID. So this is also a text input edit text, and r.id.login password. Okay, so now third is for our register buttons. Okay, so now what we do, we simply use our reference, and you can see here create user with email and password. Okay, so just pass our email. So here I pass email and pass our password too. Okay, so these two are edit text reference, not the string. So what we do, we simply call our register button. So this thing make this register button. So register button set on click listener. So set on click listener, and when it is clicked, so you can take the email from the email text edit text. Okay, so for this we need to create a reference, and here we create this user with email and password. So now what we do, simply use email text to get the text from edit text, convert it into string, trim this thing. Okay, so now you can see our error is gone. So similarly for our password dot text to string, trim this thing. Okay, so that's all for our authentication part. Now I am going to run this thing in our emulator. Before starting our application, make sure you have required permission. So in my case it is internet. So now run our application. Right, our application will run. You can see here, so I input some email in our email text input edit text, and in password I input some password. Okay, so now when I click register, it will successfully authenticate me. So you can see in our users we have hia@gmail.com, which is exactly this email, and it will authenticate this email. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification every time when I upload videos. Okay, so press the bell icon too if you want notification, otherwise you will simply subscribe me but not getting the notification of my new videos. Okay, so thank you.